Hello my beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you an amazing hair growth treatment. But before getting into all that, I would like to give a shout out to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I can promise you you're going to really enjoy today's video and you're going to learn a lot. Thank you for stopping by. So today's video, we need some coffee. I'm using instant coffee. Coffee has so many great benefits when it comes to hair growth, and I'm going to tell you all about it. But before getting into that, we need to grind our coffee. We want a really smooth texture because of the recipe. So I'm just going to put it in a blender and I'm going to blend it away like no one's business. And as we have our coffee blending, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you don't know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as your social media platforms. Because you might not know who you'll be helping to solve their hair issues or even grow their hair much faster. Alright, so after blending my coffee like so, I'm going to sieve it. Because again, we need a very smooth texture. And just looking at it, you can see we have a really powdery form of the coffee. You can use any coffee of your choice. Coffee can stimulate blood flow to the hair and to the scalp and help you grow much healthier hair. It is also going to stop hair loss, hair shedding, hair thinning, and help you grow your hair much thicker, fuller, and even longer. Because if your hair stops shedding or if your hair stops breaking, then you're going to return some length, and in return, your hair is going to grow thicker. My career oil for today is sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil can prevent dandruff. It can also help strengthen your hair strength. You can use any career oil of your choice. Some of them are the olive oils, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, any oil that works best for your hair. Just add it to your coffee and give it a good stir. Look at how amazing this is already looking. Guys, I'm already loving this recipe and I promise you, you're also going to love the end result. So after giving it a good stir, there is one more step we need to take to infuse this coffee. So we have some pot of boiling water going already. I'm going to put this in the pot of boiling water, stir it every now and then just to make sure the oil is infused together with the coffee. I'm going to allow this to go for about 15 minutes. And once the oil is warm to touch, I'm going to set it aside and allow it to cool down. After it has been cooled down, you will see that the oil has been separated from the coffee, and it means it is time to strain it. So you just get anything with tiny holes. You can use a cheesecloth. This time I'm using my paper towel. You can use a wig cap, anything that can do the job for you. We just need our oil. So if the material can do a good job for you, just go ahead and use it. Just make sure it is really nice and clean, because you do not want to contaminate your recipe. So at this point, I'm just going to strain all the oil out and I'm going to set it aside and show you what I'm going to do next. This recipe right there, guys, it is super powerful. You just have to know the right way to use it. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video, because I'm going to show you all the tricks, tips in using this recipe in order to get all the benefits out of it. At this point, I'm going to use some shea butter. Shea butter is really great when it comes to moisturizing your hair. It keeps your hair moisturized for a very long time, which will prevent your hair from breaking. It is also going to prevent hair thinning and help your hair grow much thicker. So I also went through the same process by melting my shea butter in a pot of boiling water. Then after that, I'm going to set it aside. And this is what we have in. There is no specific measurement that I used, but I can tell you, you can use about 5 tablespoons of melted shea butter with about 2 tablespoons of your coffee oil. At this point, I'm adding my coffee oil to my shea butter. And look at how beautiful it's already looking. There's a few ingredients I'm going to add, and one of them is my castor oil. Reading on the bottle, you can see that castor oil will condition your hair. And because of that, it's also great when added to your hair care routine because it is going to thicken your hair. I'm also going to add my peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential oil can also stimulate blood flow to your scalp. It can treat dandruff and also help treat your scalp from any other disease. I added about a tablespoon of my castor oil and also a few drops of my peppermint essential oil. Feel free to use any essential oil of your choice, or you can even decide not to add it because the main ingredients are the coffee and also the shea butter. After adding everything together, I'm going to give it a very good stir. I'm sorry, I missed the footage of when I was putting the essential oil, but you can add anywhere from 5 drops to 10 drops depending on the quantity that you are making. It is not only going to add to the benefits of this recipe, but also is going to add to the amazing smell of it. So feel free to add any essential oil of your choice. At this point, I'm transferring the recipe into a small container, and this is what we have in now. Oh, look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I just love this. It smells amazing. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and allow it to solidify. At this point, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, I don't know what you're waiting for. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell for more amazing videos like these. This is our coffee butter. This butter can be used to moisturize the hair at any time. It is going to help grow back your edges. It is going to keep your hair moisturized, shining, help you grow thicker and fuller hair. You just have to be consistent with the use. You do not have to wash it out. Use it as your daily moisturizer. And do not forget to put your hair in a protective hairstyle whenever you seal in moisture in your hair. Look at how beautiful this coffee pomade is already looking. I just love it. And guys, the smell is out of this world. Thank you for watching this video.